First, draw the borders on all sides. Then draw like this and another straight line from this point with a slant at the end. Then connect these points and draw two vertical lines here. Then connect them. Add one line here and one between. Draw another line here. Be mindful that it is smaller than this line. Then connect them. Now let's draw the doors on both sides. You can add windows on both sides of the door, but the alignment must be equal. We can also add an extension on one side like this. Since it's a bit behind, make sure to align the base a bit higher. Now let's draw a tree. First the bark, then roots like this, a V at the top to make the branches, and then the leaves. Draw a line through the back. Then let's draw the bushes. Behind that we can draw two hills. Draw a small lake at the front like this. To draw the fence, draw two vertical lines near each other and join them at the top. Then draw two across like this. We can also draw a few bushes and grass around the lake. In the sky, draw a circle for the sun. Drawing completed, we can do the coloring. Let's start with a light blue color for the sky. Make sure to color it with horizontal strokes. Then with either violet, brown or green, let's color the hills. Here I am using violet color so that vibrant. Use dark green for the leaves of the tree. The bushes can also be the same color. Now let's take an orange color for the roof. I am using yellow for the walls of the house, but you can use the color of your choice. For the sand around the house, I am using peach color. You can shade the ground around the house with brown. We can also use for the bark of the tree, the doors and windows. But you can pick the color for the doors and windows as you like. For the grass around the house, let's use a light green color. And brown for the fence. And for the lake, a beautiful blue color. And lastly, yellow for the sun.